Hello Rocketeers, welcome back. This will be our lesson number 13, and today we'll be talking about difference. What's the difference? What does difference mean? Think about it for a minute. Alright, so I'll tell you. The difference means it's the result of subtracting one number from another. Okay, so here. The difference is the result of subtracting one number from another. All right? Are you with me so far? So the result is the answer, and subtracting means minus and one number from another. So between two numbers. Okay? So right here I use the orange marker because that's my favorite color. What's your favorite color? But back to our lesson. What is the difference between 150 and 123? So what is the first thing we do when we have a word problem? Correct. We circle, underline important words or numbers that will help us with the problem, okay? So here, in this case, I would underline this right here, the difference, because I know that it's important because it tells me what to do, because I know that the difference, I'll be subtracting. And then between these numbers right here, okay? So difference, I'll make this like that. So difference of 150 and 123. 150, 123. So the way I would do this is 150 minus, because I know that it's subtracting, 123 equals to, that's right, 27. So the way I would say is the difference between 150 and 123 is 27. Okay? So show your work right here. Now that you understand how difference works, get two pieces of paper, a pen, and your cards, okay? So go get those things and we'll get started. Okay, Rocketeers, so this is how we'll be doing our activity today. I got my materials, and start by removing the same cards we always remove, which is 10, jacks, queens, jokers, and any other cards that are extra. We'll be using king as a 0 and ace through 9. Got it? So do that. As usual, shuffle your cards and put them down. I'll put it right here. Okay. Next, we'll be doing this activity to find out the difference between two numbers. So on my piece of paper, I only need 2 rows. Okay? So I'll start by flipping a card, and I got king. King is equivalent to 0, so 0. Okay, and one more thing. When you're doing this, you want to find out the biggest difference, okay? Biggest difference. Biggest difference. That means that your top row right here, so this top row should be a smallest number. Small. And then right here, it should be your biggest. Because we're trying to find the biggest difference. So 0 will be my smallest number now. And I'm going to take care of my hundreds place right here first, because then I can just fill in the rest. All right. So 9. So 9 is the highest card in the game. So I'll put it over here. So now I know that I'll have my smallest number on top and my biggest number on the bottom. So now I just flip cards and try to make the biggest difference, okay? So I'll do that now. Let's see. All right, Rocketeers. So my smallest number is 54, and my biggest number is 993. So in order for me to find out my difference, I have to subtract 54 from 993. Okay? All right, Rocketeers. Now for the second part, I'll get my other piece of paper, and I want to find out the difference between these two numbers. So I'll do 993 minus 54 equals 2. What does that equal to? So you can do different methods to solve this equation. So some people just do it like this. Some people like to do it like this. Minus, so here's the 0, 54. So you can do it that way. Whatever way you prefer. Make sure you do all the work and show me a picture of it, okay? So I know that 993 minus 54 equals to 939, okay? So 939. So next you have to write out the word form. So the difference between 993 and 54 is 939. Okay, Rocketeers, that's how I want you to do this activity, and I want you to show your work, all of it. So if you solve it like this, or like this right here, or a different way, however you know how to do it, I want to see what your process is and what the final answer is, okay? So do that and show it to me, Rocketeers.